Hello students, this is Aarti Goyal and today I am going to tell you about senses in animals. So let's start. As you know, 5 senses help us to see, hear, feel, taste and smell different things. Due to them, we can discover the world around us and communicate with others. Like human beings, most of the animals too have 5 senses. However, many of them have senses very different from ours. Let's know more about them. Senses and sense organs in animals. Animals use their senses mainly to find food and protect themselves from enemies. Different animals have different habits. Some are active during the day while others at night. Depending upon their habits and habitats, 1 or 2 senses are better developed in some animals. Sight. Birds have a sharper vision than other animals. Birds of prey like eagles have keen eyes. We call people with good vision as eagle-eyed. Nocturnal animals like owls have good eyesight. This helps them find food. Cats can see in darkness due to a special layer at the back of their eyes. This helps them pick up the faintest of light and see better in the dark. Penguins have a clear vision underwater. Fish can see in the air and water cumulatively. Each eye is divided by flaps, so there is one opening in the air and one in the water. Hearing. Bats are active at night. They find their way in complete darkness. They have poor eyesight but very unusual sense of hearing. They hunt at night and squeak as they fly. Whales and dolphins make sounds called songs to communicate with one another. Elephants also have much stronger sense of hearing than we do. They also use their trunk and feet to hear. A tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp. It can make out the slightest sound made by an animal moving on the grass. Dogs can hear sounds beyond the range that we humans can hear. Pigeons can hear sounds at exceptionally low frequencies. Smell. You must have heard of sniffle dogs used by police and other detectives to find thieves. Bloodhounds have an excellent sense of smell. They can distinguish between different human odors. They can follow a scent trail left long before. This is how they track missing children, escaped prisoners and criminals. Ants too have a well-developed sense of smell. They use it to find insects for food. Tigers have their own areas which may cover several kilometers. They mark their areas with their urine. They can come to know if there is another tiger in their area by the smell of the urine. Touch and taste. Snakes do not have external ears. They cannot see or hear. They rely on their sense of touch and smell. They find their prey by feeling the vibrations caused on the ground by the movement of their prey. Cockroach and cricket have hairs on their bodies which can pick up the faintest change in their environment. They are good runners too. A cat uses its whiskers to gather information around it. A tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movements or vibrations in air. Some insects like butterflies and bees use their feet to taste their food. Deer have a great sense of hearing. They have a lot of muscles attached to their ears which allow them to turn their ears in any direction without moving their heads. A monarch butterfly's special sense is its antennae. They are highly sensitive to smell and can pick up traces of chemicals that human nose cannot detect.